Well, hey there everybody, my name is OTHMARIUS and welcome to my channel. What's this? Welcome back to another tutorial series pilot here on my channel, and today I want to show you folks some of my all-time favorite card productions in card magic. That's right, you know, all of them fine alternatives for displaying a card during a card magic performance, you know, so much better than just showing the card and hoping for the best. Something like, is this your card? OTHMARIUS Magic. Like and subscribe. Alright guys, let's get this started super casual, shuffling the cards to a random position. Let's see where we stopped shuffling, and it is the Ace of Spades. Isn't that insane? Guys, I can keep on shuffling the cards here up to any point. It doesn't matter. Let's check it out, and it's again the Ace of Spades. Isn't that a lovely way producing a card with the snapping motion? Awesome. Look, we take the ace, we cut it right there in the center of the pack with the chalier cut, and then we start cutting the cards like a crazy person. Check this out, using different cutting technique. This is also a very beautiful one, but still we keep track of the card being enabled to cut right to its position. Now the next one is pretty magical, pretty intense. We cut the cards fairly in half, and then the card comes jumping right there out of the center of the deck. What? Cut in the middle, produce some energy, and have the ace jump out of the deck. Now before this gets boring here with the Ace of Spades, let's have the spectator have a free choice for once, shall we? Let's say the spectator aims for the Ace of Diamonds. Why not? It's a fair choice, it's a beautiful card, and we keep the ace just where we found it. We give them cards a ruffle, we snap with our fingers. We give them cards a little dribble, we snap once again with our fingers, and check out what's happening, because the Ace of Diamonds comes jumping straight to the top of the deck. And that's how beautiful this one is. Or do it super casual, just snap with your fingers and a card comes flying. You know, guys, I think right now we should go back from the diamonds to the spades, because that is so much more fun. Now last but not least, boys and girls, a very magical production. Check this out. I'm placing the ace very visually right here into the center of the back. You can see it go in there here at the side. See, do you see it? Yes, you see it. That's it. That's how clean it is. And because it is such a difficult magical spell, I now need my magic wand to make this happen. As I start waving with my magic wand over the card starts rising from the center of the pack, just like that. Can you see that? And it is the ace. Oh, it's blank. Why is it blank? I guess my magic is weak. My magic is weak. All right, one more try here. So I take the Ace of Spades very visually. I place it in the center of the pack, which very carefully as I push the cards inside. That's all I'm doing, right? And now, and I know now what I did wrong the first time, I need to tap 3 times onto the deck. 1, 2, 3, and then start waving. And now the card comes rising again from the center of the pack, just like that. And it's the Ace of Spades this time. I knew it. I forgot the tapping. I'm such an idiot. It was the tapping. Dude, I did it. Amazing. And that's that, guys. These are my all-time favorite, or at least some of my all-time favorite card productions in card magic. What do you say about my list, about my collection? Do you agree? Are these awesome productions? Would you have another production to add to the list? Let me know in the comments. Now, if you enjoyed this ride, if this watch was worth your time, well then smash that like button. Tutorials are in the making, of course, on all these awesome productions, so you might consider hitting the double combo subscribe and notification bell icon in order to get guaranteed notifications on future uploads or activities on this very channel, OTHMARIUS Magic. By the way, guys, you also can support me now on Patreon, and I would really appreciate it if you take the time to go and check my Patreon site out. That would be rocking awesome. Of course, as usual, more links, more information, and links to other videos and tutorials in the info cards as well in the info cards as well as in the description box of this video. For now, that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in. You be sure now, more magical stuff is going to be uploaded very, very soon.